So, what actually happened here? See, the subject pronoun ki is over here. Let me fix my camera. Just trying to fix my camera so we can see each other. Okay, so the subject pronoun ki is right here. But notice that I added an A to it. Here. And then I added the verb, which is ja. I did the same thing here. Kia, bala. This is the subject pronoun. I added the A and then the verb. Kia, bala. Okay. So this is the subject pronoun. And this is the verb, eat, or the verb, sleep. Okay. Oh, I'll tell you probably, it's the state of being, if that makes sense. It's the state of being. And the English language doesn't have this. In the English language, you just say I eat. But this is an element of the grammar that is it like tense? Not like tense. It's more like a cognate, not tense, because that's a good question. Because if you want to talk about tense, kiaja, this ending here tells us about tense. If it's a, kiabala. This is the present tense. Present tense. But if you want to talk about eating, having eaten in the past, you would say jele. And the verb would end with an E if it were in the past. But the question that you're asking involves a different aspect of grammar that you don't see very often in the English language, because the verb ending has to agree with this portion here, with the cognate. This is called a cognate. And so this varies.